I'm Luke.
And I'm Semone.
And we live in Haiti. Join us on our adventures in Haiti, where we'll update you on our whereabouts and activities and show you what it's like to live in this tiny nation in the Caribbean. We'll teach you about culture, survival tips, Haiti hacks, and more. Look forward to seeing you here.
Previously on Adventures in Haiti.
We are leaving for 6 days. We're going to go up north. We're going to visit a village called Giotin. It's in the Cap-Haitian area. So I'm here with David Whetstone. Thanks a lot for having me and Semone here this week, and we're excited for what's to come. So it's about 6 a.m. I got up about half an hour ago with the rest of the group. Got to sleep on the ground last night in a tent. Only been camping like once. I think the whole strategy with this is you get very little sleep each night, and so that's the only way you can sleep in the hot tent and on the hard ground. But we'll see how the rest of this week goes. Something is biting me right now.
Hello! We are here with Matthew, and he has been here this week with us in the village of Giotin, and we're just going to talk with him a little bit about what him and his group have been doing here while we've been in the village. So Matthew, tell us a little bit about your group and what you guys do while you're in Haiti.
Well, for the past couple months, me and my group from Lipscomb University, we've been preparing to come here. We're in engineering school, part of an engineering school, and we prepared to do a bridge survey and a site survey to see if we could build a bridge for the community. The whole time we were trying to figure out what the best spot was, and I have a couple of good possibilities. We're going to go back and analyze the data. We also poured some concrete for a well to make the well more secure for the community. We surveyed the school site. Just did a couple of odd jobs that they needed to get done.
Awesome. And they did a great job. It's been awesome getting to know them. And doesn't your team also do stuff with missions all over the world? It's like
we do.
Can you tell us a little bit about that? Like, what is the actual department with the combination of missions?
So Lipscomb University, it's a Christian university, specifically it's Church of Christ, located in Nashville, Tennessee. And what we do as an engineering school, we work with the missions department, and we do this stuff all the time. We go to countries and we work with host partners in order to figure out what kind of projects they need done. All sorts of stuff. We've built a couple bridges over the past couple of years, a couple of water systems, sewage systems, just whatever really needs to get done. And it's been a very core value of everything that Lipscomb University is about, is missions and using what we learned at school in action.
In addition to the work that the Lipscomb University group did this week, the Mentor Leader staff spent time engaging with the leaders of the community, as well as updating child profiles for their child sponsorship program. Semone and I spent most of our time just walking around and meeting different people in the community, and we even got to co-lead a Bible study 2 days of the week.
tell us where we are, Simone.
We are in the beautiful island of Giotin, the village of Giotin, and we are on a catamaran now with mentor leaders with David Whetstone and a group from the US. So it's really amazing, and beautiful, and we're going to an island now. We're excited.
So now we've come to the end of our journey. Because we had such a rough bus ride on the way here, we decided to take a plane back, and it only takes 20 minutes to get back to Port-au-Prince. You take it from Cap Haitian to Port-au-Prince. It's a small little plane, but we've had a great time this week, and hope that you also get to visit the Haitian countryside at some point. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and find us on Facebook and like us, Luke and Simone. And Simone's gonna end us with the Creole word of today.
Alright, so the Creole word for today is pays, which means country. Pays, country. So thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.